Australian Accent How-To Guide. Tip number 1. When words end with an R sound, Australians say ah. Words ending in ER sound like ah, beer, father, teacher. Words ending in OR sound like ah, door, error, doctor. Words ending in OUR also sound like ah, hour, color, neighbor. Words ending in URE sometimes sound like ah, lure, future, culture. Words ending in RE sometimes sound like ah, liter, cure, acre. You can find other lessons on our Australian Accent channel. Would you like to request a lesson? Send us a message on our Patreon page. You'll find a link in the caption below. Please like and subscribe. We love having you here.